there's lots of different ways chiropractic adjustments can be done. One, you can have the traditional manual adjustments where people use their hands to get the joints to move properly. This is where you hear that traditional popping or cracking sound. Now, when you hear that cracking sound, it's not actually the bones or the joints that are cracking. What it is, it's gas bubbles releasing from the joints. You see, you have capsules around your joints. And when the joints move or they move properly, it releases these little air bubbles. That's called the cavitation. And it's the release of those little air bubbles that creates the sound. That's what happens when you pop or crack your knuckles. It's actually the joint moving and it's gas bubbles releasing, and it's get that cracking sound.